So guys, welcome for another episode in Knutwaran. I'm here at the Sonic Meet here in Frederick, and I see some cars. Okay, so we are roaming around the place and I see some interesting cars. Okay, so let's go. It's getting dark, but I still see some interesting cars here. Ooh, got a lot of Miatas here. I always wanted to have a Miata, but never had a chance. Ooh. This is nice, a Beamer. Another Subaru. Gold Acura here. They modified it. So they're lining up all their engine modifications, you know. And we should have make our engine like that too, right? That's a DTI. Oh, we should park here, right? We're kind of like out of place. We parked there on that side. Yeah, another GTI there. Oh, you got a TT. Here's your favorite, Mamo. You got a TT here. That's your favorite, right? A Mustang there. It's kind of cold right now. It's chilly. I think it's around 40s now. We need to go to the other side. I see a Corvette. There's the Corvette. Ooh. That's a C7. Yep. So we're still here at the Sonic Meet, and yeah, kind of like enjoying. Oh, I see the stocks. It's not a stock seat, but it's a seat. It's a different seat there. That's a Super STI. Yep. It's an Acura Integra. Huh? Yep, it's a good rally car. You get the Beamer, and you get the Hyundai Veloster, and they changed the front, probably the engine too. Yep, and very nice. And I see my car here. This is not my exact car, but I have this car too. The rims are like this. I like the red leather. Mine's all black. Okay, so it's gonna be it for now. It's a quick stop for us. And before I go, I like to feature my car too tonight. Yeah, so here's my GTI Rabbit Edition. Still the same. I didn't really do a lot of stuff for this car, but yeah, I love cars still. Okay, so that's gonna be it for the Sonic Meet here in Frederick. Till next car show. Okay, thank you very much, and see you next time. Bye.